Do you know many people are having trouble with opening their printer to change ink cartridges? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Ensure your Canon MG6150 printer is powered on to initiate cartridge replacement. Step 2. Open tray. Gently open the paper output tray, preparing the printer for access. Step 3. Lift scanner. Lift the scanner unit carefully until it stops to access the cartridges. Step 4. Replace cartridge. Press the tab on the cartridge and lift it out to remove and replace. Step 5. Close scanner. Close the scanner unit securely, ensuring it locks into place. Now you're ready to replace your ink cartridges with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.